All right, we're finally running trains again. Guess you can hear them, some of the locomotives. I got the track somewhat clean. Still got to do it better. They still hesitate. I got one locomotive just doesn't want to run. The way the track is. There comes my steam engine. Slow but steady. Looking good. I like the way they go over the bridges and all that stuff. Hey, here's the steam engine. Here it comes. I wish I would have showed it when I was when this engine, when I first ran around on this track here. As it came up here, it hit all these trees. You see all the trees turning, but they weren't glued in. I had them trimmed. I got them glued in and run around and got them trimmed. So most of the train isn't hitting any of the trees. But there we are. Got things running. I got one more loop. That's this one here. So we're getting there. Just feels good having the train running again. Just trying to catch some of the action here. I couldn't do that. I couldn't resist. I had to put the last bridge in even though it's not done, so I could run all 4 trains. I like the way it just winds around. You see it, you don't see it. Looking good. just can't get it all in there. I don't have a wide enough angle lens. Now I'm just happy. Feels good, pumps you up when you can run the trains. Okay, well that was a long time coming. I think what's it been 3-4 months since I've been able to run a train. Felt good, really felt good. Sorry for it's a little boring, whatever, but I really enjoyed it. And also trying to practice some of my photo shooting with the trains. Please, if you could, hit the like button, share, and please subscribe if you haven't already, which a lot of my viewers don't have, which I really appreciate it, and all the comments. I don't know what next video will be yet, so we'll see. But with that, until the next time we meet,